Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're talking about keeping customers in the loop.
So it's very important to take and keep your customers in the loop about your current timelines, where you're at on their project, especially if you have a lot of money riding on the job. Too often times, especially when you're doing an internet business, you have to put yourself in the customer's shoes, that they don't really know you. All they have is essentially a profile about you, and they have a credit card numbers trail where they sent money to you. And if you leave them with just that and they've spent a lot of money, it can make nerves get a little wrecked there. Yeah,
exactly. They really don't know anything about you, like Roy says. They have no idea how much of a workload you have, how many other jobs you have going, what those deadlines look like. If you have any delays in the process when you're forging their project and you don't tell them and then you wait till like the day before it's due, they aren't going to be happy because they weren't aware of any of the process. At least if you take the time to explain throughout, then they have a feel that yes, you're working hard and you're trying to make progress on their order.
Now, I've been very guilty of this myself. You know, I'll think, oh, I'm going to get that done. I'm going to get that done. Oh, I'm going to get it done. Oh, I'll have it done tomorrow. Oh, I'll have it done tomorrow. Oh, I'll have it done tomorrow. And, 3, 4, 5 weeks roll by, and, here I thought I was going to have it done 2 or 3 weeks ago, but I didn't inform the customer, and, and that was my bad on my part. That wasn't good on my part, and, it led to leaving the customer kind of high and dry on knowing where their product was. And then some of them, sometimes they don't communicate to you that they have a very specific deadline. Like, say they have something where they have an anniversary or something coming up, and they thought that they were well within their means based upon what you've told them according to your timelines on your website, and then you fail to meet those expectations.
Yeah, definitely. So especially if you have a longer project, just sending them a snapshot, every stage or every week or two, something like that. They really appreciate it. It gives them a feel for how much work goes into the piece.
Yeah, and you have to remember that your customer has paid you to do a service for them. And that is to do something that only you can do, or something that they couldn't do themselves. And so, it's very important to keep them well informed, and if you do, you'll definitely have happy customers throughout the duration of your business. Yeah. So that's it for this 3 Minutes at 3. We appreciate you all watching.
And thanks for joining us. Like we always say,
God bless you. And we'll catch you on the next one.